Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. If you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Madhushmita and you're welcome to Dear Wallet. I hope you guys liked my intro video. It took me so much time to do that video guys, like बहुत मेहनत लगी वो intro बनाने के लिए. So I hope you guys like that intro.
No, I don't buy stuff every single month, so there is no new stuff to show you guys. So that's the reason why I was not doing this monthly favorite stuff. But I decided that I'm gonna do this monthly favorites after every 3 to 2 months, like whenever I have products or I have used enough products to show you guys.
We'll just start with skincare first. Start with cleanser. So for cleanser, I'm in love with the It Skin Vitamin C face wash. So this is the It Skin Brightening Cleansing Foam. So I really love this face wash, trust me. Like, it just make your dull face so lively. Like your face is looking very dull, like you are very tired, then definitely use this. It just brightens up my face and it feels like I'm not tired at all. Next product that I recently got in the month of February, this is the Biotique Biofruit face pack. So basically this is pigmentation and tan removal face pack. Trust me, it does work. It really helped me in removing my tan. थोड़ा सा भी tan पड़ जाए ना मेरे skin में, I apply this and it instantly gives result guys. So I'm in love with this particular product. For the next stuff, I have this Pixi Glow Tonic. So Nykaa recently launched Pixi on their website, but I bought from Sephora. I also brought this in the month of February. February में लाई थी, मैं तब इतना use नहीं कर रही थी इसको because I was using the ordinary AHA BHA peeling solution and also Mamaearth vitamin C toner. So मैं इसको इतना use नहीं कर रही थी, but अभी मुझे breakouts हो रहे हैं. तो right now I need really exfoliant, like I need good exfoliants for my skin. I'm leaning towards this particular toner. So I have been applying this continuously since a month now, and trust me, the results are so amazing. And yeah, I just love it guys. I want to invest in a good toner which will exfoliate, and I would highly recommend you guys to go for this. For the serum, I have the Sugandha BHA serum. Month of May I purchased it, like starting of May I purchased it, and ever since I'm applying this product, and trust me, it does the job. Like it exfoliates. I have seen my blackheads have reduced a lot. Also my white hairs, there were a lot of white hairs in my nose areas. Those were cleared up like in a month. A person who's searching products for open pores and for white hairs, blackheads, whatsoever, then go for the serum. Now the next product that I'm absolutely loving is the Dot & Key sleeping mask. So this is the Skin Plumping Moisture Infusion Water Sleeping Mask. I don't use a night cream, I just use a sleeping mask. It's very light, I have oily skin, so obviously I need a very light moisturizer, so that जब मैं सुबह उठूँ तो मेरा skin पूरा oily ना दिखे. Just plump up my face wherever my skin looks very dull. I use this particular sleeping mask. I use this thrice in a week, or sometimes I use it every day. Where my skin doesn't feel right, I just use this product. It just does the job. Now coming to makeup products, I haven't purchased much in the month of February or May because of this lockdown situation, and yeah, so I just have a few products with me which I recently purchased. Like 19th May was my birthday, so before that I purchased few stuff and I'm really loving them. First thing I got is the Molten Matte Lip Cream. So these are lip cream and I'm absolutely loving these lip creams guys. Like if you're a person who doesn't like liquid lipsticks, then I would highly recommend you guys to go for this lip creams. Like if you have dry and chappy lips, then it just moisturize your lips. Kuch time ke baad, like after 10 to 15 minutes, it completely dried up to like velvet matte finish, and obviously this is not transferable, so that's the best thing about this lip cream. I didn't purchase these lipsticks, by the way. These were my birthday gift, so
Best birthday gift.
next thing that I repurchased is the Nykaa Matte to Last liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Madras Cappy. So if you have seen my last haul, you must have seen I got the mini size wala Madras Cappy, just to taste that if it washed me out or not. It's just a perfect nude shade for me. Finally I got my perfect nude shade. A lot of time to dry up, like around it takes around 5 to 10 minutes to dry up, but the formula is really amazing. Like it does not dry down my lips. Next I have is a nail paint which I am wearing today. So this is a beautiful lavender shade. So this is the Nykaa's nail polish, and this is in the shade Lilac Cupcake. As you can see, this is such a beautiful shade guys. लव पेस्टल शेड, सो लैवेंडर हो, लाइलैक हो, अगर मुझे कुछ भी ऐसे वायलेट या पर्पल टाइप के शेड्स दे दो ना, I'll be happy, like I'll be more than happy. Nail paint is my favorite for the month of May as well as for month of June as well. Now coming to hair care, I haven't purchased much products for hair care because my hair routine is very simple and I have all the products with me which I've been using frequently. But the one thing that I've changed is my conditioner. As you guys know that my curls are fully back and I'm prone to frizz now. So I got this Requel conditioner. So this is their Muru Muru Damage Repair Conditioner and I absolutely love this conditioner, guys. It just tamed my frizziness. The day I don't apply this particular conditioner, my hair just looks so frizzy. Yesterday also I have applied this conditioner and trust me, अभी बाल थोड़ा अच्छे लग रहे हैं, but the day I don't use this conditioner, it just makes my hair so frizzy. The next favorite is shower cap. This is not a shower cap exactly, this is a hair towel, you know. First thing I do is I wash my hair and then I take a shower. I like my wet hair to stick around my body, so that's the reason why I got this cap. And this is from Miniso. I purchased this in the month of March. Yeah, I purchased this in the month of March. I have to keep my conditioner, right? So I just apply conditioner and then I wear this cap and then I take a shower. After that only I wash my hair. So yeah, time consuming भी नहीं लगता. So yeah, now coming to a very essential stuff that I have, like these are the essentials for me. So the first thing is this Prim toilet sanitizer. So as you guys know that, you know, we all should, you know, sanitize our hand. I also try to sanitize my toilet seats as well because that is very important as well. It is easily available at Big Bazaar, you know, Big Bazaar or Reliance Fresh. आपको easily मिल जाएगा, या फिर any toilet sanitizer will do the job. I really love the smell. It's like sandalwood type का smell आता है. Every time I go to washroom, I spray this all over my toilet seat so that, you know, it's well sanitized. Sanitizer की बात किया जाए तो I have the Mamaearth hand sanitizer. So they did send me 25 hand sanitizer, which is sweet of them. Like I also have given few of the sanitizer to my neighbors and all. It's lime and neem, and I love the smell. Like I literally love the smell. It's SLS free, so plus point to that. And Mamaearth is also cruelty free brand, which I love the most about the brand. I have also done a non-sponsored review of their product, so if you haven't seen that yet, make sure that you do. It will be there in my I button. So yeah. Now coming to movies, yes, I have seen a lot of movies this quarantine time. Recently watched Dream Girl and then I watched Gone Girl, and also I have watched this Brad Pitt movie called Seven. I so love that movie, guys. Like you should definitely watch these 3 movies. Like they are so amazing. So yeah, बस movie का बात किया जाए तो मैं ये 3 movie ही देखी हूँ जो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. And then coming to series, I'm a fan of series, guys. So in the month of March when quarantine started, I started with Grey's Anatomy. I just completed Grey's Anatomy in this during this period. I guess तो एक हफ्ते पहले ही मैंने फिनिश किया था. तो या ग्रेज एनाटॉमी इज़ माई न्यू फेवरेट. आई एम लिटरली ऑब्सेस्ड विद द सीरीज. आई वाज वाचिंग फ्रेंड्स ऑल्सो. मैं इतना एडिक्टेड नहीं थी जितना मैं ग्रेज एनाटॉमी की तरफ हुई हूँ. सो एब्सोल्युटली फेवरेट इज़ ग्रेज एनाटॉमी. The next series that I recently watched is Dark. I know the season 3 will be coming up in June 27th, I guess. So yeah, so I watched that series and my mind is blown. Like if you love thrillers, suspense, you know, time traveling, you should definitely watch Dark, guys. I mean, it's absolutely amazing. It is going to blow your mind just like anything. That's it for today's video, and those were my monthly favorites in the month of May. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video and if you like my favorite stuff, then do like this video and also leave a comment what video you guys want to see. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.